Do you want to improve your flexibility? Well, you're in the right place. Flexibility, often overlooked, is an essential component of overall fitness. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned athlete or just dipping your toes into the fitness world, flexibility is for everyone. It enhances your range of motion, reduces injury risk, and promotes better posture. So let's delve into the realm of flexibility and explore tips to help you stretch your way from fit to fab. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a newbie to stretching, these tips will help you unlock greater range of motion and feel amazing in your body. Tip number 1. Establish a consistent stretching routine. Flexibility is a skill like any other that requires practice and dedication. It's important to carve out a little bit of time each day to work on your flexibility. This could be first thing in the morning, during a break in your day, or in the evening before bed. The key is to make it a part of your daily routine. Just like you wouldn't skip brushing your teeth, don't skip your daily stretch. Now moving on to tip number 2, mix it up with dynamic warm-ups. Before you start stretching, it's crucial to get your body warmed up. This could involve a brisk walk, some light jogging, or a series of dynamic movements like leg swings, arm circles, or torso twists. These movements get your blood pumping and prepare your body for the stretches to come. Remember, consistency is key to seeing progress. Tip number 3. Embrace the power of yoga and Pilates. These ancient practices have been championed by fitness enthusiasts for centuries and for good reason. They offer a unique blend of strength, balance, and flexibility training that can truly transform your body. Yoga, with its long-held postures and smooth transitions, is particularly beneficial for enhancing flexibility. Pilates, on the other hand, is a core-centric workout that also promotes flexibility, especially in the lower back and hip regions. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you'll start to notice a more fluid range of motion and improved postural alignment. Now, on to tip number 4, roll it out with foam rolling. This is a secret weapon that can help you release muscle tension and improve flexibility. It's like giving yourself a deep tissue massage, targeting those hard-to-reach areas of discomfort. Spend a few minutes each day rolling out tight muscles, focusing on areas of discomfort. Your body will thank you. Tip number 5, listen to your body. As you embark on your flexibility journey, it's essential to tune into the signals your body sends you. When stretching, aim for a sensation of mild discomfort, not pain. This balance allows for progress without injury. Celebrate your body's capabilities, respecting its limits as you would a dear friend. Moving on to tip number 6, stay hydrated. Your muscles, like the rest of your body, thrive on hydration. Drinking ample water throughout the day not only quenches your thirst, but also keeps your muscles supple, promoting better flexibility. Consider water your secret weapon in achieving those flexibility goals. Finally, tip number 7, rest and recover. Like a well-deserved break after a long day, your muscles need time to relax and rejuvenate between stretching sessions. This rest period is when the real magic happens. Your muscles repair, grow stronger, and adapt to new levels of flexibility. Remember to give your muscles time to rest and recover between stretching sessions. Adequate rest allows your muscles to repair and grow stronger, ultimately enhancing your flexibility over time. And there you have it, Flex friends. We've explored 7 transformative tips to boost your flexibility, from establishing a consistent stretch routine, warming up dynamically, embracing yoga and Pilates, to the magic of foam rolling, listening to your body, hydrating, and allowing rest. Each of these tips holds the power to enhance your flexibility journey. So why wait? It's time to roll out your mat, embrace these tips, and start stretching towards a fabulously flexible future. Until next time, stay flexible and stay fabulous.